Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cabbage steaks. First, choose a firm, fresh cabbage head, ideally weighing between 2 and 3 pounds. Carefully slice it into 1-inch thick rounds, ensuring the core remains intact to hold each steak together. Next, brush both sides of each cabbage steak generously with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This helps them crisp up beautifully during cooking and absorb flavors. You have several fantastic options for cooking your cabbage steaks. For a tender, caramelized result, roast them in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Alternatively, grilling offers a lovely smoky flavor. Cook over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes per side until you see nice char marks. Pan frying in a cast iron skillet for 6 to 8 minutes per side also creates a wonderful sear. To elevate the flavor of your cabbage steaks, seasoning is key. Before cooking, sprinkle each side with about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of paprika for a savory kick. After they're cooked, a drizzle of balsamic glaze or fresh lemon juice adds brightness. For extra richness, consider topping them with crumbled bacon or a generous amount of grated Parmesan cheese. Cabbage steaks are best enjoyed fresh, either as a hearty side dish or a satisfying vegetarian main course. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. They reheat well in the oven or a skillet. And speaking of meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help you stay organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.